students, today we will continue our class. So this is your content book. Open page number 35. Okay. So today we will read air can make sound. Okay. But students, before starting our reading, let's revise what we studied in the last class. In the last class, we studied that air is important for us. Like air helps in breathing. Okay, air helps in electricity generation, air helps in movement, air helps in drying of clothes. Then we studied air has a weight. For that we done an activity of balloon balancing. Okay beta. Then we studied air can lift the things. For that we understood a activity that a sealed zip polythene bag. In that bag 2 or 3 books I kept, and when I blow air with straw, the polythene bag will bigger in size and the book moves. And when I blow air on directly the books, no polythene bag around the book, what will happen? No movement in bags. So today we will study about air can make sound. It means beta air is also useful for making sound. Like how we speak. When air goes in our throat, then we speak. Okay beta, we can speak with the help of air. हम speak भी जो हम हमारा जो sound आता है वो किससे आता है? The air which goes inside our body. Okay. Another example, if you have a flute, whistle, okay, सीटी है आपके पास में या कोई flute है, so what you are doing? You are blowing air into that. Yes, you are blowing air into that. What will happen? A sound comes. So students, when there is no sound on whistle, no sound of whistle arise. Okay, when we blow air in whistle, the sound arise. It means sound is necessary for air is necessary for sound generation. Okay, so read with me. When we blow air into a whistle or flute, it makes a sound. Air can also carry sound from its source to our ears. Okay beta, like these two boys. Okay, number 1 boy is, yes, speaking something. So the words which this boy speaks can travel in air and hear by the other person. Okay, it means air is necessary for the वॉइस ट्रांसफ़र. वॉइस भी कब ट्रांसफ़र होगी? जब एयर होगी. और अगर एयर नहीं होगी तो वी कांट ऑडिबल टू अदर पर्सन वॉइस. ओके, लाइक प्लेयर, एज द प्लेयर ब्लोज द एयर कॉलम इनसाइड द हॉर्न में ब्लो किया एयर, व्हाट विल हैपन? यस, vibrate, and vibration in the air. Listener hears the sound. Okay beta, so when we blow air into whistle, flute, what will happen? Yes, what will happen? Tell me. A sound arise. Okay, so students, it means air is also necessary for making sound. Students, read this block carefully. We will meet in the next class, but when I am taking your online class, I will ask all the questions which are related to this. Okay, so bye bye students, take care.